are at the hotel. Reese has got the goods. I've got the extra bags. And we're going in. So we did actually get it a little bit wrong. We thought we were in the one next to the Moxie. Wow. Oh my God, it smells amazing. This is gorgeous. Little fake cherry blossom tree. Terrace up there. Very impressive, isn't it? Very nice. Smells good, doesn't it? Delicious. Here we are then. We are room B421. Straight in. Grace is. Oh wow. It smells like sweets. And is that going to turn the lights on? Ta-da! There we go. Ooh! We got a little kitchen. It's like a little induction hob. Kettle, woohoo! Sink, microwave, a dish. Oh, a few bits of crockery. That's cool. What's in this one? Oh, all your cutlery. And there is a fridge as well. So when we go and get some water and stuff in a minute, that's brilliant. And I think this will be the bathroom through here. Oh yeah, fab. It's well decorated. There we are. Let there be light. I tell you what, that smell is incredible. It's genuinely like sweets. So it's a nice bath with a shower over. And you have got some shampoo for the road. And a nice, oh, there's Reese. Nice mirror. A very small hairdryer. I don't think that's going to be up Reese's street, that one. And then, do you want to kindly let us in the other room? Lights. Woo! Oh, wow. This all looks quite new, doesn't it?
Very new.
Newly kitted out. Dining table area. Somewhere to sit and eat, enjoy, telly. Oh, there's a wardrobe. That's quite a big space there, isn't it, Reese?
Yeah, it is.
Shelving. I am really impressed with this. And what I like is there is the door. So you can just have it as a room. Completely.
You over the car park.
Oh, love that for us. Let's see. Oh, fancy. Goes all the way out. Bonjour, Paris. Oh, there's my hello. Oh my God. I can see over there, Tower of Terror. Can you see that pink building? That is Tower of Terror there. And then the water tower. Amazing. That's cool. What do you think, Reese? Initial impressions?
It's cosy. I quite like it.
I like it as well. I need you to tell me if this is comfy. Oh, don't pull it off just yet. We need to know.
Oh, it's lovely.
Is that lovely?
Oh, that's nice. It's quite firm, actually.
Are we going to get you back up? Oh, I don't know, mind. When you can see you laying on it, it does look like it's moulded into your body.
Yeah.
Is it memory foam?
Yeah.
Is that why?
Yeah.
Pillows look cosy as well. Okie dokie. Well, this is us. We'll do a bit of unpacking.
Yeah.
I'll see you all in a bit. Forgot to say, actually, because we always talk about the plugs in each room, there is your standard plug socket. We have got your USB, USB-C. You've got some side lamps going on here. And you've got the bigger lamp there as well. So real nice lighting. Bit of mood lighting here too. Beautiful. It's a little bit dark to see, but we have just, this is where our room is here. We have just arrived back into the car parking. Probably be best showing you guys tomorrow morning. It's quite a nice size car park. There's plenty of room, but there is also a parking lot downstairs. So we do wonder if there is additional space if we need it. But then we will come round and we will be back at reception just shortly. Yep. Here we are, back to hotel reception. You got it, Reese?
Yep.
Ooh, there you go. These LEDs are really impressive. It just smells amazing. So far, we're really happy with this, aren't we? It's really nice. There is rooms literally everywhere. And we have to go to the little left. Oh, there is a vending machine here. If you need any little drinks. Level 4. And they've got their little bulletin board for the morning. Tell you how busy breakfast is. Prices, €15. They're definitely pushing the guest experience as well. I've noticed that on a few posters actually. And then we've got a little conference centre here as well. And then there is a balcony out there that overlooks the park. You might not be, I think you can see that. You can see it from my head. There's Tower in pink. Do you want me to push those doors open or have you got it? Cool. And then we are 4, 2, 1. Here we go. Here we are then. So you literally, as soon as you walk out of reception, you are quite literally here. I know they do like a lot of takeaways in the reception as well. There's like a machine that you can order takeaways on. So it's quite good that they've got the big bins there that you can just chuck it out if you've got loads of stuff. But Reese did spot this morning, didn't you? Loads of people waiting here with their Disney stuff on. So this is the public bus that we can see from our room. And we think it will drop you to the main train station at Disney, you know, like where the Disney buses drop you off at and the taxis. We think that's probably where it's heading, instead of taking you to the closest RER and then you getting it in, because it was only €2.50 each way. I think it's quite good. Let's go.